Look guys, today we have another property tour, and today we are in the community of Heartland Bay, and we're going to be previewing this home right behind me, floor plan 1795. Also guys, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is about new builds, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. That way you're the first to learn on any upcoming new builds. Also guys, we receive phone calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make their move to Las Vegas, and we love it. Whether you're 7 days, 3 months, give me a call, text, email, or schedule a Zoom call. Definitely love the opportunity to help you make that smooth move to Las Vegas. Now let's get started with this video. Okay, so here we have floor plan 1795. This one is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and price for this one is $407,990. And that's everything included, guys. There's no upgrades or lot premiums. Everything's already included in the price. So what you see is what you get. Also, HOA for this community is $103 a month. And then the average lot size for this one, to give you an idea, from the back wall to the fence is anywhere from 18 to 30 feet. And that, if you do want to upgrade, the most you'll pay if you want that 30-foot wall is $4,000. That is not a lot compared to a lot of builders out there where easily could cost you thousands of dollars. It does have a sit-in lid, estimated balance of $10,800. It is in a gated community, and they are planning to build 140 homes in this community. Let me give you guys a quick view of this community. And we are located all the way in North Las Vegas, not too far from Aliante Casino, just to give you an idea. 3 different elevations they have. You won't be able to pick your elevation, but if you like a model home, and you'll have to kind of stick with the elevation, but they do have 3 different ones. All right, so let's go take a look. So obviously the garage right now, it is the office. You will have pavers on the driveway all the way to the entryway. Let's go take a look. So here we have floor plan 1795. So you also have pavers all the way to the entry door. You'll have this smart lock as well. Here we have it. And this floor plan right here is the middle of them. There's one smaller one. It's 1,700 square feet. And I'll have that in the description below, but it is not modeled in this community. Here we have the staircase going up to the right. You have ceramic tile, 18 by 18. Here you have 9-foot ceilings downstairs. Upstairs is 8-foot ceilings. Here you have half bath here downstairs. Check this out, guys. For being close to 1,800 square feet, very nice layout. So everything has its own section. Like look at this living room right here. Nice size. If you're looking for a home that's in the 400s, low 400s, definitely come check out Heartland Bay by D.R. Horton. And you know, sometimes with these wildness, with these interest rates, sometimes it's a good idea to check in with these new builds versus resale, because you could they'll buy down the rate for you. Like as of making this video, they could buy it down around 5.9, low 6%, and even giving you assistance with closing costs. That's huge. Resales, you won't do that. You would have to buy down your own points. So here we have the dining room area. So just something to keep in mind, guys. Just know your options. If you have any questions, and if you want to know the difference between new and buying a resale, let me know. I also sell resale homes too and assist people to sell. I don't just do new builds. I do everything. So here we have dining room, and over here we have This kitchen, so you got granite countertops. Easy to seat 3 to 4 people on this island. And refrigerator, washer, and dryer, and blinds are included with the purchase of your home with D.R. Horton. We have the pantry. Can't open, but here's the pantry. Refrigerator. You also do have the granite countertops on this side. And you do have about a 5-inch backsplash. Not too big, but there's one there. Your stove, microwave, all this is included. Got the white cabinets with stainless steel handles, soft close. Got your stainless steel undermount sink, dishwasher. Let me give you guys a view from right here. Say you're prepping food or even washing dishes. This would be your view. What do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer to have the sink on the island or on the back wall, possibly with the window? Let me know how you prefer your sink. Then right there, that door right there is actually the sales office, so you have that locked. Then right here you have a coat closet, storage closet. They currently have stuff in it. Now let's go check out this backyard. Also, like I mentioned in the beginning, so from here, pretty much here to that wall, back wall, this one as modeled is 18 feet, just to give you an idea. But they do have them up to 30 feet. But if you want to upgrade at 30 foot, it's gonna cost you around $4,000. So just FYI. And that would be something, upgrade of your choice. But even at this, I mean, this is, in my opinion, I would say is the minimal standard size. Obviously, it's, different opinions on backyards. But let me show you. Also, guys, you won't get this landscaping. You'll get a clean slate, which you'll have to do on your own. So something to keep in mind. And usually the HOAs will give you up to 12 months to complete that. If not, then beware for those fines coming your way. All right, let's go check out upstairs. Also, guys, if you guys are enjoying this home tour, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming home tours. Let's go upstairs. Also, guys, quick reminder that if you're looking to purchase a new build home and want a realtor like myself that's outside from the builder represents you, it's very important that we come with you on your first visit, because if you show up without your realtor on the first visit, you'll miss out on representation. So something to keep in mind. Okay, so that way we have the primary, and then this way we have the other rooms. Let's just start this way. So here we have the first bedroom. Decent size. Upstairs, it's 8 feet ceilings. Here we have the second bedroom. Oh, before we go in there, we have a linen closet. Bedroom number 2. This one faces the front of the house. See if you guys can see this master plan. If you guys don't mind being away from the strip, airport's about 35 minutes from here. Strip about 30, downtown about 25 minutes. Summerlin about 25 minutes. If you guys don't mind being that far, definitely check out this area. I mean, you'll find a good deal out here in the low 400s, especially with this wild market that we're in, and buy down your rate. Take a look. If you want to schedule a private showing, reach out to me. My info will be in the description below. Here we have a full bath, single sink, granite countertops, got the white cabinets, stainless steel handles. You got the prefab tub stand-up shower. And then you also have the 18 by 18 ceramic tile. Keep in mind, guys, you'll only get tile in the wet areas like your bathrooms, laundry rooms, kitchen, downstairs. Upstairs, in the rooms, the hallways, you're going to get carpet. So something to keep in mind. Here we have bedroom number 3. Let me stand in this corner and give you a view of this bedroom. What do you guys think? All right. Now let's go to the primary bedroom, which you've probably been waiting for. It's cool, it has those 2 windows right there, so it lets in that natural lighting in. So it's facing the side of the house. Before we actually go into the primary bedroom, let's check out this laundry room. This is what you get, guys. What you see is what you get. Obviously, you're not going to get those towels and stuff, but what you will get is the washer and dryer included. Not a lot of builders do this, guys, and that's something that they'll include with the purchase of your home. Washer, dryer, refrigerator, even blinds. Will the blinds be the best ones? Probably not, but it's something to at least you have there until you're able to upgrade. Here we have the primary bedroom. So you only have 2 windows, just those 2, to let in that natural lighting. Let me give you another view from this way. What do you guys think? Too big, too small for you? And then right behind me, I have the primary bathroom. So you have the dual sinks, which are separated, and in between you do have the walk-in closet. So you got the granite countertops, white cabinets, stainless steel handles. You got the drop-in sinks. And right here you have your toilet. 18 by 18 tile. Stand-up shower. It's prefabbed, around 7 feet high. Here is the closet. It's okay size. I mean, for this being 1,795 square feet, decent sized closet, I would say, in my opinion. Obviously, the ladies would love this a lot bigger. Well, there you have it, guys. If you guys enjoy this home tour, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss on any upcoming home tours. Till next time, guys.